A and B enter in 300 meter swimming pool in a pool with a 50 meters starting simultaneously at the end of the pool at the speed of 2.5 meter per second at one of the pool and 5 meter per second. The pool length is 50 meters. Can I say the speed of B is double that of A? How many times will they meet while traveling in opposite direction before B completed the race? That is what is given. How many times will they meet while traveling in opposite direction? Fine, while traveling in opposite direction means they are moving from the opposite direction before B complete the race. Now B is moving at the rate of 5 meter per second. It is going to take 100 seconds to complete the race. So first what happened is starting simultaneously at one of the pool. This is after 10 seconds, he will go here. After 10 seconds, he will reach here. B is here. While A is exactly at the middle because it is 25 meters. How much is left? That is 25 meters is left. Now he is coming from this direction. He is coming out from here. So it is 25 upon 5 plus, that is 7.5. Or I can write it 25 3 sir. And 25, that is 10 by 3. So that is 10 seconds plus 10 by 3 seconds. They are going to meet. This is the first meeting. Now in 10 by 3 seconds, what is the distance traveled by it? It is moving at the rate. So I will say one will travel 50 by 3. करना क्या है 10 by 3 को 5 से मल्टीप्लाई कर दो 50 by 3. The second will travel 25 by 3. और सही बात है यार 25 by 3 plus 50 by 3 75 by 3 which comes out to be 25 meters. satisfy भी कर रहा है. यहाँ मिल गए. Then he will move in this direction. ठीक है. How much he will move to go there? I'll say he will go 25 plus 25 by 3. That is coming out to be 100 by 3 is what he will travel. This 100 by 3 is traveled by B in this direction. Now I know if he travels 100 by 3, this person will travel half because the speed is half, so half a distance travel karega. So I will say he will reach at this end. Is that fine? They are not meeting. A reaches here. When A reaches here, B is here. वैसे भी देखिए B की speed A से double है. The speed of B is double of A. When A travels 50, B will be going to that end and then coming back to it क्योंकि 100 meter travel करेगा. Speed is double. So they are here. Again they will meet. This is the second meeting that is going to happen. So second meeting कब होगी? When they are going to run towards each other. ठीक है? क्योंकि दोनों का आपने कहा opposite direction में आना चाहिए. The second meeting will be happening when they are going to travel because the distance is 50 meter. Listen here. The ratio of their speed is 2:1. The distance travel will be also 2:1. 3 ratio is 50. One will travel 100 by 3. Second will travel 50 by 3. I think it is clear that this is second meeting which is going to happen. कुछ समझ में आ रहा है? दोनों ने एक ही तरफ से स्टार्ट किया. ये भाई साहब फास्ट है, ये यहाँ जाएंगे. B ने जब 50 मीटर ट्रैवल किया, A was at 25 meter, exactly at between. So they will be going to meet somewhere here. बीच में कहीं मिलेंगे, मुझे नहीं पता. अगर मैं नहीं भी निकालना चाहूँ, then also it is fine. This will be the first meeting. Now B is fast. He will reach here. He has come back. B went there, then come back here. B को मैं black से represent करता हूँ, and A has gone here. The total he has going to take 20 seconds में ये सारा काम हुआ. इसने भी 20 second लिए, इसने भी 20 second लिए. They are opposite end. Now they are going to travel towards each other. 50 meters is the distance travel. Ratio of their speed is 2:1. Distance one travel 100 by 3. Second travel 50 by 3. They are going to meet. Is it fine? That is second meeting. Now, when this man, listen to this. B reaches here. Black ले लेता हूँ उनका color. ये तो पढ़ा हुआ है सबने. B travels 50 by 3. This is what B travels. A की speed is half. Can I say A is going to travel just 25 by 3? This A travels 25 by 3. When B travels this one, this is another combination. 100, you know it is 100 by 3, 25 by 3 is covered by this. This is 50 by 3 covered. ये दोबारा वापस 50 by 3 travel करेगा. So I can say he has traveled 100 by 3. If he has traveled 100 by 3, he will travel 50 by 3. B goes 50 by 3, then 50 by 3, that is 100 by 3. लेकिन A is here, he has traveled 50 by 3. Now 50 by 3 more is left. He will also meet here. लेकिन उन्होंने कहा था when they are moving in opposite direction, how many meetings are there? Here they are going to meet. Listen again. This is very interesting. Shortcut. B was here, A was here. They come, they meet somewhere here. कहीं मिले होंगे छोड़ो. When B reaches here and then comes back here, A will be just able to reach to this point क्योंकि उसकी speed उससे double है. He will travel double distance. So if B goes here and then comes back, A will be only able to cover this length, and they are certainly going to meet here. So how many rounds B has traveled? B ने 4 round कर लिए जी. गया आया. What is the distance that he has traveled? He has traveled 200 meter distance. Same situation that they had initially when they started together. Again, they are going to meet where they met first time. So can I say first meeting, second meeting, and the third meeting will be the similar to the first meeting because the 300 meter swimming competition is going on. So they are going to meet 3 times.